I've discovered a trick for taking the waste yarn out of the difficult side. Most people tell you to cut it, but you don't really need to do that. Roll the waste yarn upwards until you see the top horizontal strand. It should be the very top row. Gently pull on it to take it out while holding the opposite end. Go up a little further and pull it out. You can skip a few stitches while you do this. Continue pulling this out for the entire round. It shouldn't take but just a few seconds. Once you get back to the beginning where you started, it should easily come out just like it did on the other side. That's it! Now you can save this waste yarn and reuse it.